we got a Supra in today at the shop. Gonna be doing an exhaust. It looks just like a BMW key, but Toyota. Even the interior looks just like a BMW. Here's a stock one. So routed the vacuum lines through here, so it's not touching the exhaust. Once I have it down, I'll show you where I ran the vacuum line. So this is the box that it comes with. There's these plugs, so I drilled a hole there and there, and it's pretty good seal, so no moisture or anything should get in. Then I used some double-sided tape, secured it here. Here's the T, and then the power. This one actually goes to the cigarette lighter, so that's how I did it here. So here's the remote. Again.